Hi friends, welcome to Learn IT with Venkat. Today we are going to see about in CISCO Packet Tracer what are the different kinds of LEDs available and how we can use with that LEDs using SBC Python program. Let me go into the Packet Tracer. First I am going to choose SBC. Left hand side bottom component. You will get a SBC board. So SBC is nothing but single board computer, and if you go down here you could find the actuator. Click it and here you could find different kinds of LEDs. First I start with the normal LED and followed by that I am in need of one LCD. So use this LCD screen to display message. Go to the connection tab and use the IoT custom cable last second. Using control you can choose it for multiple connections. So click your SBC, choose D0 for digital and here D0 and D1 to LCD. Click your SBC, go to programming. By default you will have a blink program and go into that you will have a main Python program. These two statements are the packages from GPIO, general purpose input output. I am going to import this package because all the devices are connected with your SBC through this GPIO pins, your digital and analog pins. Time for delay purpose, here I am going to use some delay, so I am importing this package also. So inside the main method, first I am going to decide what are all my output and input. I am going to make all LEDs to blink. So all is going to be an output. So first it is going to be 0. 0 is connected with your LED which is output, and copy this statement, paste it, and your LCD is connected with 1 which is also output. And here I am just printing LED is blinking. Inside the while true, this is going to iterate infinite number of times. So always this is going to be a true statement. So here digital write of 0, high. High means up, and it will up for 1 second. 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. And here 0, low. So it will on and off for 1 second. And here I am changing this for 1000. 1 second it will off. And let me try. Run this program and you could see here your LED is on for 1 second and off for 1 second. Okay, now stop it. Parallelly I am going to display the message in the LCD. So custom write is the method and 1 is the number which is connected with your LCD, and followed by that inside the double quotes you have to give the message green LED on. Copy this and after this off I am going to print green LED is off and run it. Now it is in on off, you will get a message here. Okay, stop. Next statement I am going to add another LED. So choose your LED. This is a dimmable LED. If you go inside, this will blink in blue color. So I am making this label as blue color and use the connection IoT custom cable and choosing digital to D2 to A0. From your SBC we have used D2. So here I am going to add one more pin mode. So this pin mode is for 2. 2 is connected with your blue LED which is also going to be your output. Copy this statement. Here I am going to paste it and here I am going to edit it. So your blue LED is connected with pin number 2. So here I am changing 2, high, and in your LCD here I have to change blue LED on, and here the pin number is 2 and here I am changing blue LED is off. Clear and run the script. Now green LED on, off. Now blue LED is on and off. Here you could see the blue color is blinking. Now stop. Added to that LEDs I am going to add another LED which is this smart LED. So let it be smart LED. So give the connection for this also. IoT custom cable, here I am choosing D3 to A0. Go into it. Here add one more pin statement. Pin mode here is going to be 3. 3 is connected with your smart LED. Copy this statements, paste it out. Here changing the pin value. So here what is the pin number connected with smart LED is 3. So 3, and here I am changing the label as smart LED. Here 3, low. Smart LED off. Okay, and run the script. So green on, blue on, off, and here you could see smart LED on off. So it will iterate infinite number of times, and here you could see the display message which LED is on and off. Stop your execution, clear your output screen, go to LED. Here you could see another LED called RGB LED. So here I am going to put it. So this is RGB LED, which stands for red, green and blue. I am going to give the connection. If you go inside this, you are in need of 3 connections here for this LED. So what are the 3 connection means? A0 for red, A1 for green and A2 for blue. And the ranges is 0 for low and 1, 0, 2, 3 for high. Either you can use this value or you can give low and high keywords. So here I am going to give 3 connections. Choose your connection icon and choose the IoT custom cable and click your SBC. D4 is going to connect with A0 for red. Again D5 is going to connect with A1 for green, and D6 is going to connect with A2 for blue. 3 connections: A0, A1, A2. A0 for red, A1 for green and A2 for blue. Now let me try the coding part, SBC, and here I am going to add the statements for RGB LED. So first I am going to add the pin modes. Pin mode 1, 2, 3. 3 pins here we have added, 4, and this one is 5, and the last one is 6. So this RGB LED is connected with 4, 5 and 6. So here I have defined that pin mode stands for output, and go down, and here I am going to copy it and paste it. 1, 2 and 3. 3 times I have pasted it, and this one for 4 is high, which means red color, and here I am going to label it as red LED, and here change this as 4, and here red LED is off, and here it is 5. 5 is connected for green LED on, and here 5 comma low to off your green LED, here green LED off. And for the last one, which is for 6, and 6 stands for blue color, so blue LED on, and 6 comma low, so here blue LED off. Run your script. So first green and blue and smart LED. Now for red, green and blue. So now you can see this is going to be iterate n number of times, that is infinite number of times. All the LEDs will execute one by one. Here you will get a display message which LED is on and off. Okay. So this is my program. You can use it for different LEDs, and these kind of LEDs are going to use in different simulations like smart parking and smart lighting systems and all. So you could use this LEDs in your Packet Tracer activities. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe this channel for getting more videos updates. Bye bye.